Hey, what's up? Sam here. Ever since my first range test of Fiido D11, people keep asking, what's the max range if you use the pure electric mode? Well, today in this video, we'll find out. First, let's fully charge the battery. When the indicator on the charger turns to green, means it's fully charged. Put the save pulse in, connect the power, press the button, and now check out the display. If you watched my last Fiido D11 range test video, then you may remember it hit 99 kilometers and still went on for a while, and then it cut off the power and didn't record the last number. And what a coincidence, it makes to just 100 kilometers. Before I go, I know it's going to be the easiest test comparing to my previous tests. You know, I'm not gonna pedal it, but I still prepare everything. A small bag for the bike to put the power bank cables, those a giant backpack to have my water bottles, cameras, air pump, and a really heavy speaker, Mega Pro, the newest speaker from Smart. And the total weight is 89.5 kilograms. Plus the stuff in the small bag, it should easily surpass 90 kilograms. Without further ado, let's go! 1 kilometers. I noticed one thing here. Even I only had a 1 kilometer range. When I press the throttle to the bottom, one battery bar will disappear, and when I release the throttle, it goes back. This is normal, as I have consulted the engineer from Fiido. Very interesting though. Okay, gotta grab something to eat. Okay, we are ready to go. Did you see that? The 2 bars battery, you know, go away. And when I release the throttle, it will go back. So now it's 5 kilometers and it's purely on electric mode. And to be honest, this is the easiest test among all Fiido D11 range tests, and didn't even sweat. Sweat or sweat? I didn't even sweat. Heck, I just spilled my Coke. 10 kilometers. Alright, 16 kilometers. The total odometer is 117 kilometers. And during all the pure electric mode, the average speed is like 23 or 24 kilometers per hour. And when I press the throttle to the bottom, it will, for a while, you know, it will enter the cruise mode. And then I'll just, you know, enjoy the ride. But after 16 kilometers, I really gotta pee. "18 kilometers and 2 bars battery has gone. 21 kilometers. 24 kilometers. One of the great things about the Fiido D11 is it handles uphill slopes pretty decent. Let's take this slope for example. The angle is larger than 45 degrees, but still has the power to go up even without pedaling. Of course, it feels less powerful when it's about to reach to the top, so I pedaled a bit and it easily got over that. I don't expect it's that good. And without too much effort, I reached to my destination, Susan Bay. And the total range is 26 kilometers. That's purely in electric mode. And the total odometer is 127 kilometers. 100 kilometers was in mobile mode. And the map shows 23 kilometers. It seems there is a minor error between the two, but you have to know during the riding, many times I have to put the camera head on me in order to get shots like this, and then go back to fish the camera. So the number I think on the D11 is very accurate. After a few hours of me enjoying the music and riding, of course I turned off the back's power. I just want to pedal it to get some exercise. After all, during the test I didn't pedal, and it's time to go back. Yeah, I think it's time to go home. After several hours here. So the total odometer is 127. Just press the throttle and go. One kilometer. The view here is like amazing, isn't it? I want to stay here a little bit longer. I want to, fly kite with my daughter, Christina. This is a great place. Today the weather is not bad, though the forecast say it will be raining, but I didn't see any rain. 4 kilometers. This is like the Silicon Valley of China. You see ZTE here, Skyworth here, that's the DJI headquarters. There are lots. Tencent is also here. After only 5 kilometers, you see that the battery indicator is flashing now, seems almost out of battery, but when I release, it goes back. Anyway, it's raining now. Just after 6 kilometers, 34 kilometers on pure electric mode. It's still raining, but light rain, it's okay. Eight kilometers on pure electric mode. 9 kilometers. The battery is still flashing. It can be used up at any time. But when I release the throttle, the battery goes back again. That's interesting. 10 kilometers. It's 11 now. It's 11 kilometers on the back, and the battery indicator is flashing all the time. It will not go back, like before with the 1 bar left or something. It just cannot. So I guess 38 kilometers. So that's the test, range test. The pure electric mode. I'm still surprised. It says the Fiido says it's like 40 to 50 kilometers, right? If I'm pure electric mode. And today I reached 38 kilometers, and that's not bad because I'm pretty heavy, 19 kilograms. So I guess it's gonna end very soon. I'm afraid I cannot record that moment, so I guess it's just 38 would be really fair, right? Because it's definitely not gonna make to like 12 kilometers or 39 or 39 kilometers. I don't think so, right? So that's still pretty amazing anyway. From that to here, the battery indicator is still flashing. Okay. I press the button, throttle to the bottom. The max speed is like 10 or 9 kilometers per hour. I think it's gonna die very soon, the battery. It's press the button and it's on flat ground. The max speed is like 6, 5. Oh, no way! It makes to 12. It makes to 12. Did you see that? Did you see that? It makes it to 12 kilometers. The last, the flashing thing, this flashing battery. So 39 kilometers. That's crazy, that's crazy. That's really crazy. Still flashing. You know, from last flashing to this flashing is like maybe 200 meters. I don't know, but I need to grab a bottle of water maybe. Hello guys, to my surprise, you know, after rested for like a couple minutes, you know, drinking a bottle of water, it's still flashing. But the thing is, even I press the throttle to the bottom, it's like, it's basically, it's not moving. Yeah, so 39 kilometers on pure electric mode with my 80 kilograms weight. Still, it's amazing. I guess, yeah, it's amazing. So I will just pedal home. That's one of the great things with this kind of bike. You can still pedal home when it's auto battery. So see you there. Just as you know, I was going to pedal home, but then I realized there is a metro station there. When I take the metro, there is an elevator up, but there is no elevator down, so I have to carry it. Okay. It's really lightweight. With one hand, no problem. I'm glad the bike is foldable, otherwise the guys won't let me in. Otherwise they say you have to take off the wheels. But if it's folded like this, then I can take to the metro. Ah, that's convenient and weird. Holy shit. How can I get out? Yeah, you have to be a little bit creative to get out when you're stuck like that. Yeah, so that's today's videos. To be honest, I'm surprised by Fiido D11 again. You know, at least Fiido D11 lives up to its claim. The 100 kilometers in open mode, it did that. And 40 to 50 kilometers in pure electric mode, it does that too. So I'm really surprised. But of course, like all products, there's good sides and downsides. Yeah, there are really few things about Fiido D11 I don't like, but that will be in my full review on Geekbuying channel. So stay tuned. The review will be out in this week, a few days later. So make sure to subscribe. See you next time.